Oh!
Where's that? Crappie! Bring him over. Good
Bluegill crappie, guys.
Good thumbnail, good thumbnail.
That's sick. This is a nice
God.
little...
There goes that guy.
I'm guessing this might be a white crappie?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's a white crappie. That's sick. The first fish of the day. Let's get him back in the water now. There he goes. Might have just had one. Oh. Yeah. Dude, the creek is under... Oh! I just saw... It's a pickerel!
He caught it! He caught it!
A little tiny pickerel on the trout magnet. And I caught it too. Wow. That's so sick, guys. Alright, guys. Let's get a nice release on him. Nice release on him. Yeah, I was. Alright, guys, so...
We both just turned the GoPro off on accident, and there's pumpkin seed that he just caught.
Yep.
Not like he missed much of a fight anyway, but
yeah. Exactly.
And also,
and I've caught a few already this year, so it's not like it's anything new. That's what I'm using. Oh, bass. Bass.
Bass? The boy! That's a decent bass! The boy! He's caught a variety. He's caught 4 species at the first hole. Pumpkin seed, bluegill, crappie, bass. Are you serious?
Look at that, guys.
The boy!
A nice little bass right there.
Which one?
Aren't your socks like...
Oh.
Oh my god.
Is it?
I think it is.
It is, yeah.
Oh my... Oh my god, guys. I just caught a red breast. Look at that.
Catch anything but bluegill.
Look at that, guys. That's so pretty. That little tiny red breast sunfish. Got another one. Alright, buddy. Alright, guys. Nice little creek chub again. Big one, too. Creek chub! Got this little tiny creek chub right here, as you guys can see. It's a really cool fish. One of the most beautiful fish in this whole entire little creek. Alright, let's go throw him back. Alright, there you go. And I don't know if feel like getting snagged. Oh, it's had a bluegill attack. Oh my god, it's a pumpkin seed. Are you actually kidding me? I saw it attack it, yeah. Alright guys, so nice little pumpkin seed again.